Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to sit down and do some bronzy makeup, and I finally purchased the Dior Glow. What is it called? The Forever Glow Star Filter Multi-Use Complexion Enhancing Booster. I know I'm late on this. This has been out, I think, like over a month. But I was in Sephora. I had no business being in Sephora. Well, I did have business being in Sephora. I always wanted to try a Gucci lipstick. I always wanted to purchase a lipstick from Gucci. And I went in Sephora to swatch it and to purchase it. And I was walking around, touching everything, swatching everything, because I love Sephora. And I picked it up. So it's a liquid illuminator that enhances the complexion and smooths the skin. I've heard so much about it. I've had my subbies telling me about it in the comments. It's beautiful, so I picked it up. Now, it has 10 shades. I went with shade 7, and I deliberately went with shade 7 because I wanted it really dark. I didn't want it to match my skin, like my skin tone. I wanted it dark. So this was on purpose because I wanted it to be like bronzy. All right, so I swatched it in store, but I haven't used it yet. Comes in a nice Dior bottle, and I swatched it when I came home on my hand, and it's thicker than I thought. So I'm giving 3 little pumps. See, shade 7, it's dark, but like I said, it's deliberate. Oh, this feels like a foundation. What kind of coverage does this have? Light? Okay. It feels like a foundation, but I'm assuming this is like the, see? This is what I wanted. That bronzy glow. Oh, this is nice. It has like a metallic finish without the glitter, without shimmer. Oh, this is nice. Look at me. Did I need this? No. Oh, I like this. I'm putting more. One more pump for the road. Oh, maybe I should have put half a pump. I like this. And when I swatched shade 7 in store, it didn't seem as dark. It's even darker, and I like that because shade 6 would have been perfect, but I didn't want that. I wanted like a dark bronze because I'm going to wear this under stuff. I blend it out with my fingers, and I like that actually. I like blending it out with my fingers. I'm just wearing skincare and my sunscreen. So now that I look like a like a really glazed bronze goddess, and this is what I wanted. This is the brown glaze I wanted because I know I'm gonna wear it underneath stuff. And this has good coverage. I've never done this before with a filter, but I think looking at it, I'm only gonna go in with concealer today because I was planning to put my Valentino foundation over it, and I was also planning on, because I color corrected under my eyes before I got on camera, and I was planning to color correct my laugh lines, but I don't need to. I like this. It's so metallic, but without the glitter, because look at the shine. Look at that. Look at my face. This is perfect for a bronzy makeup look. All right, so I chose, because this is very radiant, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay concealer that's matte. Should I use foundation? You know what? Let's just go in with the concealer. Let's do something out of my comfort zone. I really want to see how it looks because it has coverage. And to me, it's more than light, or maybe because mine is so dark, because this is looking like I got a medium coverage here. Maybe it's buildable. So I'm going to do the concealer just like how I do my concealer. I like the metallic finish of it. This is nice. Like everybody who was telling me about it, you guys were right. This is lovely. I'm gonna set down with the Gucci spray, of course, as usual. I've always worn like a glow filter under foundation. I've never just used concealer. This Urban Decay concealer dries down fast, so I'm gonna blend it out immediately. What do you guys think of the coverage? Because But then again, I think I put a lot, right? I put like 3.5 to 4 pumps, but because I wanted like it to fully cover. If this works out, this is gonna be how I'm gonna wear it with just concealer. Because this is looking nice. I like how this is looking. Girl, what? Look at my skin. This is so nice. I don't think I ever want to wear this under foundation. I want to wear it like this. Why didn't you guys insist more that I get this? And I'm not done. I'm going for bronzy. I'm going to bronze a little bit on my forehead with it. Not my jawline, but I'm going to put a little bit right there and blend it out like bronzer. Just so nice. See that? We're going for bronze sheen. Let's go for bronze sheen. I said I wanted bronzy makeup. This is nice. Like whoever kept telling me about this, you were right, girl. Wow. This is nice. This has more coverage than the Radiance Booster and the Charlotte Tilbury. Is this my new fave? Am I jumping? Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that, right? Dior. You did a little something, something here, Dior. I'm in love. Nobody asked for a wear test, but I'm doing a wear test. I have to see how this wears throughout the day. Perfection. I'm still in awe. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. This is more than just a filter. My skin does look a little smooth. Am I imagining it? I don't have large pores, but because my skin is dry, sometimes around here looks a little, you know, funny. Looks nice. All right. Nothing to see here with the powder, just the Maybelline Fit Me, and then I'm going to bake with my kimchi, and oh, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Wow. Because I walked over to the gondola and I saw it and I was like, I'm always getting told about this. I wish I had gotten it sooner. But it's perfect because, I mean, the weather's not acting like it's spring. All of a sudden, it's kind of chilly again, but this is perfect. Yeah, I'm doing a wear test because I have to see how this wears. I think it's going to wear just fine. And I have dry skin anyway. I doubt whether this would look crazy at the end of the day. All right, so this kimchi in Suntan, as usual, nothing new. I think my skin looks so good. Right now, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm shook. And my forehead, right? I'm so glad I put it up there. I don't even want to set it. I'll do a light set though with my MAC powder. I think my MAC powder would be the best powder to use. And I'm going to do like a light set down with the MAC powder. Look at it already. I've hit pan. I'm going to need a new one soon before the summer is over. I can already tell. I use it so much. Doing a really light set. Because I like the radiance of this. And I didn't put any, I just underpainted. I just put the concealer under. So I'm not wearing cream bronzer right here. This is just the filter. It's called a filter, right? Whatever it's called. Whatever it's called, I love it. See, just a light tapping with the powder. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. This is really, really pretty. I'm so happy with this. Wow. All right, I'm going to go in. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be back I'm so in love with this right now. I'm so in love with this. I'm so glad I didn't put it on the foundation. It's really, really beautiful. All right, so I'm going in with, glowy bronzy, the Armani bronzer in 120. My video is up. My review of this is up on my channel as we speak. I love it so much, and I'm gonna put it over this bronzing that I did. And I'm gonna keep my glow. See that? Because this is glowy. What I really love about this filter is the metallicness of it. It's so metallic, but without like glitters. Like, the formula is beautiful. They did a great job with the formula. Oh, it looks so nice. Dior. So good, guys. So good. I'm putting some, I just want that dewy, bronzy look. And look here. You see that sheen right here? I have no liquid highlighter on or anything. This is all from the, it's all from the filter. So beautiful. Wow. This is so nice. Perfect for the summer weather. I feel so glowy and bronzy already. All right, you already know what the blush is going to be, but I'm going to add a little bit of Butterfly from Benefit. I want a slight pop of orange, like orange that has a glow. So I'm using Fire Moon by Haus Labs. I'm still upset by how small this is. And I like to put a lot on my the apples of my cheek, and then I go up, whatever's left on the brush. And right over top of this, like, but mostly in this area, I'm gonna put a little bit of Butterfly from Benefit. Like right there. See? Right. Only on the cheek part. I tried this the other day with the Fire Moon. It looked so nice. So I said, you know what? Oh, this could be a thing too. When I don't want to wear the Fire Moon bites. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, Trophies and Truffles by Fenty Beauty. I've been raving about this, and I still feel the same way. Oh, and if you want bronze, here you got it. You got it right here. Bronze to the gods. Let's put a little bit here. Why not, right? We're going for bronzy today. Some of my nose. All right, I'm gonna set my face and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back to finish up with the lip. This is spectacular. And you know what? I love Dior. I have a few things from Dior that I like, but ever since they discontinued their Star foundation, I haven't found a Dior foundation that I liked. This is supposed to be a filter, but for me, it's a beautiful, glowy foundation. Oh, and let's look at the time because I'm gonna do a wear test on this. It's 10:52 a.m. So I put it on after 10. So I'm gonna do a wear test. All right, so I'm wearing the Patrick Ta lip liner in, I always forget, I think it's Coin Collector. I'm gonna have everything listed in the description box. All right, as I said in the beginning of the video, I always wanted to try a Gucci lipstick. They're pricey, but I don't know, I've always heard good things about the formula. And I was also on the hunt for the perfect nude shade. I have a lot of nude lipsticks. I like Kingster and stuff like that, but none has come close to being the perfect nude, but I think I found it. So this is in the shade Penny Beige. My favorite TikTok, she uses Carol Beige, but when I swatched it, it was too gray. As soon as I saw this one, Penny Beige, this is the perfect nude lipstick, I think, for my skin tone. So let's go ahead. And the formula is so beautiful. See that? I found my perfect nude lipstick. I'm obsessed with it. It's a shame it's so pricey. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this. It has such a velvety, creamy texture. It's the perfect nude. I found my perfect nude lipstick. Look at that. It's the perfect nude, guys. It's expensive, but I think I found it in Penny Beige. But let me tell you, I'm going to be wearing this so much. You guys are going to be sick of me with this too. Like I told you, you guys are going to be sick of me wearing that highlighter and the blush. This is stunning. This is really good. And it's like a foundation. It has more coverage than the Radiance Booster and the Charlotte Tilbury. Girl. All right. I'm going to go about my day. I have to go food shopping. Yuck. And I'm going to be back with my final thoughts, but for right now, I love this. And thank you to everybody who recommended it to me. See you guys. Hey guys, I'm back for my final check-in. It is now 7:15 p.m. I put this on after 10, so it's around 9 hours since I've been wearing this beautiful filter. And let me tell you, I'm so shocked. I mean, I have dry skin, yes, but I'm so shocked by this. I really thought it was going to be extremely radiant, and I don't see that because I look more radiant when I wear the, when I did the Serena, her tint and her concealer, when I did the About Face foundation. So I thought I was going to have that sort of radiance. It just looks fine. It just looks like I'm just wearing regular foundation because I'm using it as a foundation. I just have my concealer on, and as you guys saw, I lightly powdered. And if you're here for the first time, when I do any kind of complexion review, I do not touch up, I do not fix it. I come back and show you exactly how the foundation or concealer, whatever it is, were, and this is how it were. This is beautiful. And today wasn't as hot, so I don't know how it's gonna hold up in extreme heat. But it looks good, and my nose looks a little shiny because I have highlighter on my nose. My chin looks fine. My chin doesn't even look that dewy. It just looks fine. My forehead looks nice. You can see where I have the illuminating bronzer. But that's about it. I really love this. And again, to everybody who recommended this to me, thank you. I love the fact that it has enough coverage for me to wear as foundation, and I think the shade that I got really helped because I didn't need to color correct here at all. I just color corrected under my eyes, as you guys saw. I love this, and I love this lipstick. I think I finally found my perfect nude because because I used to love Deep Mink from Tom Ford. That's the name of the lipstick. I was thinking about it all day, but it had some pink. A lot of nude lipsticks has pink. This doesn't have pink. At least I don't see the pink. It's just a proper nude. It's like my lips, but better. I didn't touch this up either. And I had Wingstop. I was eating chicken. I mean, it moved, but it still looks good. So if you're in the market for a nice nude lipstick and you're a woman of color, I would say give it a try. The formula is fantastic. All right, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching my bronze makeup tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.